Hello, friends! Welcome to Heal Shift. Today's remedy helps dissolve phlegm in just 5 minutes. It's a simple and homemade Ayurvedic formula. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of jaggery or sugar, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix everything well and drink it warm. How to use: drink this remedy both in the morning and at night. The combination of ghee and turmeric quickly loosens phlegm. Benefits: phlegm is expelled, chest feels lighter, cough stops quickly, immunity gets stronger.